Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLA220d AMG line shooting brake automatic in metallic grey. It's covered 68,000 miles since new, it's had 2 owners and comes with a full Mercedes service history. Features include a full leather interior with heated front seats, both front and rear parking sensors, satellite navigation and a panoramic roof. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.